Have you ever wondered how ships navigate the vast oceans so precisely? That's where the IHO S-44 standards come in. These guidelines ensure hydrographic surveys are top-notch, making nautical charts super accurate and keeping our seas safe. Plus, they help protect the marine life. Let's dive into the S-44 and see how it's shaping the future of ocean navigation and safety. So, how do we get that? Let's go to the IHO website, which is IHO.int. Let's go to the publication index of IHO publications. And here let's come down to standards and specifications. And if you go down here, there is the S-44 IHO standards for hydrographic surveys. And this is English, Chinese and Spanish and Portuguese. So you can freely download any of the version, English, Chinese or any of the version that you want. You can download it easily in your computer. So let me tell you about the S-44 or the standards in simple details. So S-44 in a nutshell is a standard for hydrographic surveys designed to improve the safety of navigation, knowledge, protection of marine environment. So these are actually classified in 5 segments. There are Order 2, Order 1B, Order 1A, Special Order and Exclusive Order. Order 2 is the least stringent one, recommended in areas which are deeper than 200 meter. Order 1B, underkeel clearance is not an issue and some bottom features may not be detected, but it will not hinder any shipping activity. So Order 1A says that this survey is intended for areas where the features on the bottom may become a concern for transiting vessels, but underkeel clearance is not critical. 100% bathy coverage and 100% feature search is required. Coastal waters, harbors, berthing area, fairways and channels where you need this Order 1A survey. Now this Special Order survey is intended for areas where underkeel clearance is critical. So 100% feature search and 100% bathy coverage is required. Now size of the features to be detected are much smaller and demanding than the Order 1A. And last is Exclusive Order, and this is an extension of the Special Order but with more stringent uncertainty and data coverage requirement. This is actually intended for shallow areas, harbors, berthing area, fairways and channels where underkeel clearance and bottom characteristics are potentially hazardous. So 200% feature search and 200% bathy coverage are required. The feature size to be collected is much more stringent than Special Order. So these are very specifically written here. Some of the numbers are given which you may not be able to understand. So let me open Excel sheet and let me tell you more about the criteria that is required for this type of surveys. So the main criteria is the total vertical uncertainty or the TVU. Okay, here equation is given. Here the D is equal to the depth. A is represents that a portion of the uncertainty that does not vary with depth, and B is a coefficient which represents that portion of uncertainty that varies with depth. Now all these criteria are in 2 sigma confidence level. So suppose my depth is about 200 meter and the total horizontal uncertainty as per Order 2 is going to be 40 meter. Order 1B will be 15 meter. Order 1A same as 1B will be 15 meter. If I do a Special Order survey, then it will be 2 meter, and Exclusive Order it will be 1 meter. Whereas I am doing a bathymetry, then my total vertical uncertainty at 200 meter will be different in different orders. So if I do a Exclusive Order in 200 meter of water depth, then my total vertical uncertainty or the depth measurement error can be 1.51 meter, whereas in Order 2 it is going to be 4.71 meter. So the bathy coverage and feature search and feature detection also depends on that. So let me do it 100 meter depth and everything changes. In 100 meter depth, Order 2 does not come into equation. So order 1B says 10 meter horizontal uncertainty, and exclusive order says 1 meter uncertainty. And in 100 meter water depth, the vertical uncertainty of the depth error maximum acceptable is 0.76 meter. Now let's go down to 50 meter water depth. I can see that in the 50 meter water depth, my total vertical uncertainty maximum acceptable is 0.40 meter, whereas in order 2 it is 1.52 meter. Let's go down more to 10 meter of water depth, and here I can see my exclusive order. It says the vertical uncertainty of the depth error maximum accepted is 0.17 meter, whereas in order 2 it is about a meter. Okay, and the position maximum that I get exclusive order total horizontal uncertainty is plus minus 1 meter. And in here I can see the bathy coverage. I need 200%, feature search 200%, and feature detection is more than 0.5 meter. So this is all in a nutshell what the S-44 or the IHO specification tells. This is nothing to do about the oil and gas field surveys. They are different. They are categorized by the special order that are given by the client, not the special order or exclusive order for the S-44. Now S-44 is only and only for the marine navigation, not for oil and gas field surveys. So you can club that together. You can club it. You can ask the client that I will do this survey in exclusive order, as per the exclusive order. So depending on the depth, normally if you are doing a survey at 75 meter of water depth, then your horizontal positional accuracy will be plus minus 1 meter, and your depth accuracy will be plus minus 0.6 meter. Okay, so this you can talk to the client and decide upon that, but this is specially, the S-44 is specially designed for the marine navigation. If you are carrying out any survey that needs navigation of a marine vessel and you are creating a chart that will be used by the marine navigator, then this criteria you have to maintain. This is an international criteria that you have to maintain, and it is as told by the IHO or International Hydrographic Organization. I hope we learned something new today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.